The Karnataka government has banned rhodamine B, a toxic textile dye, from use in popular food items like gobi manchurian and cotton candy due to its cancer-causing effects. Health Minister Dinesh Gundurao highlighted concerns about other artificial food colorants like tartrazine and sunset yellow. Violators will face hefty fines of up to Rs 10 lakh and imprisonment for up to 7 years. Despite the ban, white cotton candy remains permissible and gobi manchurian can be prepared without artificial colorants. Awareness campaigns and a helpline will enforce the ban and protect public health following the discovery of unsafe food samples.
Been looking into the use of chemicals in food products, especially on two products we focused on. One is cotton candy and gobi manchurian, because there was a lot of information that the use of chemicals in this was prevalent, and we have found that rhodamine B, which is a chemical which is used as a textile dye, and it is completely banned to be used in food products, was found in many samples of cotton candy, and along with that some other chemicals known as sunset yellow and another sample called tartrazine. These were all found in these cotton candies, colored cotton candies, and so use of rhodamine B is completely not allowed, and we are issuing a notification again that any such use in cotton candy will not be allowed, and we will be taking strict action on anybody who is using this. Similarly, because this rhodamine B is a carcinogenic material and can cause various health problems if consumed extensively. Similarly, this tartrazine, which is there, this is also cannot be used in prepared foods. It can be used in packaged foods, but it should not be used in prepared foods, because in packaged foods there is a certain amount that is allowed. It's an allowed chemical, but in very minimal quantities. So in preparing food in hotels and restaurants and street vendors, this is being rampantly used, was what the information we had. And our department, food safety department, our commissioner had an extensive drive and found out that many samples tested positive for use of this chemical, which should not have been found in that particular food item. We had done a drive on gobi manchurian specifically. So cases are being booked, and as per the act is quite stringent. From 7 years to life imprisonment also is part of this act, and up to 10 lakh fine is also there. So health is connected to food, because eating good quality food definitely has a good impact on health, and eating bad quality food has a bad impact on health, and especially chemicals which are carcinogenic and can cause various problems to our organs. That is completely against the law, and so we have taken up an extensive drive on this matter to see that enforcement happens, and misuse of these kind of chemicals should not happen. And we are issuing a notification today that these chemicals, if found in these food products, we will be taking strong action. And this rhodamine B found in cotton candy, and the tetrazine, sunset yellow, that is also found in gobi manchurian. All this is all prohibited, and anyone found to be using this, severe action will be taken.
Our health minister today has banned the use of artificial colors in foodstuffs like gobi manchurian and cotton candy, which is consumed by children. Why is that so? It's very important for us to know that these are very artificially cultured or made colors, which can be carcinogenic and can be harmful to the kidneys as well. It is definitely a welcome move, and we always think, and we should think now why it was not done so far. It's very, very important for us to keep our children safe, and this particular artificial colors and these particular items which are basically made with that are taken mostly by children, and kidneys, and definitely putting them prone for carcinogenesis and stuff like that is not acceptable. And the move by the health minister is a welcome move, and we all appreciate that. Thank you very much.